guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be looking at the Redbubble shops and some of the Redbubble shops that are doing pretty amazing, and what we can together take an inspiration from those shops and improve our shops to get more sales for our own print on demand business online. So I'm just gonna hop onto my laptop at the back and we're gonna look at some amazing shops, what are the differently they are doing, their design ideas, and a little bit more in depth. So if you're interested in that, then stick till the end, and also don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate that. And also guys, I have a free print on demand guide which contains 60 plus free niches ideas for you to make your own print on demand designs. The link of that free guide description box below. And if you want the free graphics for own print on demand designs, then also I have a free graphic bundle. The link is in the description box below. So let's hop onto my laptop, and yeah guys, on the laptop, and also we are on the Redbubble. Now this one is the one shop. I just search in the search bar as the food, and then I come up to some search results, and I came across this particular design related to the food. That's the foodie stickers. So we're just gonna go over to this shop and just we're gonna see what different they are doing, why they are ranking so high on the search result on the keyword the food, which is so much competitive. So this one shop is been around from the May 2015. So they have been around for quite a while. I guess like for almost like more than 5 years. And they only have 45 designs. And one thing we can take from this shop, of course guys, this shop is quite established because it's a very old shop back in the 2015. But apart from that, one thing we can take an inspiration from this shop that we can probably do it in our own print on demand shop as well is regarding their sticker packs. If you have been following me so well, you would be knowing that I talk a lot about the sticker packs rather than just uploading a single stickers, and this one shop is doing pretty amazing with the sticker pack. They have the whole sticker pack along the polywag stickers, the rose stickers, foodie stickers, the plant boy stickers, plant stickers. So they have doing pretty well with the sticker pack. So this is the one inspiration when we can take it from. Other than that, I can see guys, this shop is not related to one particular niche. Like often people tell that just make a shop which is kind of like focusing on one particular niche only. You shouldn't be making a general shop, but this shop is a great example that it has a different niches in the one shop. It has a food as well, the rose as well, the polywig as well, the animal as well. So you can see they have the various different niches in this one shop, but we can take an inspiration how they are doing pretty well with the sticker pack. Of course, it's an established shop, that's why they are doing pretty well. They have been on the Redbubble for a very long time, that is more than 5 years. So that's pretty amazing that they have been doing really well, and they have so many favorites and followers and all that. Picture or the main product image for the designs depending on the designs. Let me explain you what I'm really want to say. That for example, the sticker pack design, if you're making a designs especially for the sticker, then it obviously will gonna be look good on the stickers only. It might look on different products, might not be, but the first priority is only the stickers. Apart from that, if you're uploading a designs that are just kind of like this one, which is a square shaped designs, it would look good on the t-shirts. It might look good on the stickers as well, like this one is also the square one, it's looking good on the sticker as well, but the first preference it would be look good onto the t-shirt. So they have optimized well for every design they are uploading and selecting the mock-up product or the main product according to that design. Another example you can take from this a pattern. This is a pattern, the spicy iPhone. So they have uploaded this pattern on the iPhone case and put that iPhone case as the main product mock-up because the pattern look pretty amazing on the duet covers, on the iPhone cases, or even on the curtains or pillow covers. They look pretty well on them. So they have put this one as their iPhone case as a product mock-up. So this is the another thing which you can take it from this shop. and you can implement. Let's move on to the another shop. Now I just need to search for the another shop. This one was in the food category. So right now we will going to go into the animal niche and look for some shop that is quite popular and what we can take an idea from that. Of course, some of the shops that are on the first page of the result would be quite established shop and they would be very old, but we can take something from them and can learn it and can implement it. Okay, so these are the pretty amazing designs that are coming onto the animal. I already talked about the sticker bag, so let me just pick up some another one and we can talk about it. So let me just pick up this one, the dog. Okay, and just hover over to designs they have and what different they are doing. Okay, so they have been on the Redbubble back from 2013. So it's a very long time, more than that, like I guess 7+ years onto the Redbubble. So Redbubble from 2013, so I can get it why they are so established. One is the main benefit of having established shop is that they are quite old. So that is a major benefit from them. But apart from that, they have 288 designs. They have the art, kitties, Dogo, Nico. Okay. Another thing, why I landed onto this shop that I really want to talk about, guys, is that they have used the pictures and they have edited those pictures. You can see very well, like this one. They have taken the picture and they have added that picture and converted into a design. You can also do that. If you want to go with that, making a sticker pack, and you are not a designer, you are not an artist, you don't know how to draw in paint, then very well you can go onto the Pixabay, Pexels, and Splash and can just pick up a free copyright free image from there and then just go onto your editing tool, edit that picture and image and make it look like for your design and upload it onto the print on demand stuff. So that's why I opened up this shop, because I want to talk about this thing, specifically about the shop, because they have done good with this thing. They have used the pictures, maybe they have clicked these pictures or maybe not. I'm not pretty sure about that. But if you don't have an animal at your home and you want to target this animal niche, then very well you can use the Pixabay images, edit them very well, modify them so that it no won't look similar to the original picture, and then upload it on your print on demand shop. So that's why I talk about this shop, because this is the one thing that we can learn from them. They have used the pictures and they have added those pictures so amazing and make it into a design and then uploaded onto the print on demand shop. Is they have they added those images and make it look so well, and they have used them to upload the designs. So that is the one thing. Apart from that, the sticker pack is also there. You can take an idea about that sticker pack, and most of the designs are like animal niche only. Obviously they would be having they would be getting more search results and would be high onto the Redbubble. So this is the one thing. Now let's move on to our another shop in some different niche. So I think I'm just gonna go into the sports niche, because I rarely talk about the sports niche. I don't know why. So this is the sports niche. So let me pick one shop, one design. Okay, this one. I think it's basically a line art. So we can take an idea from this one shop, because it's just the line art. You can also do the line art, guys. So let me just hover over to here. Okay, so this one is also an old shop. It started back in 2016. So all these shops are quite old. So that is the one of the most major benefit, that they are quite established onto the Redbubble. So like a general shop targeting so many different niches in just one shop. 147 designs. So this is so one thing we can take it from this shop is the line art, the minimalism. Now, if you don't know what is a line art is just the simple, you can see as a sketch or simple art, like just the simple lines. You can see here it's just the simple lines. Here also just the simple lines. Here also just the simple lines. Nothing detailing is there. Just the simple lines or the outer sketch of particular type of design, and you are not coloring it, you are not adding the details, it's just a simple work. So that is the one thing you can take. You can just, if you're a complete newbie and you don't know how to design, you can make these simple line arts in your Photoshop or in your editing tool or whatever drawing or tool you are using. You can create these simple line arts and they are selling well. You can create a sticker pack around these line arts, and that's why I can say that in this one shop, this thing is quite popular. Like here is also line art, line art. So this kind of like sea sticker, wave sticker is quite popular, and they have made so many sticker around this particular type of design. So why this would be their best seller. So that's why they have so many designs like this. Again, here it's a simple line art, guys. So they have most of the design is simple line art, line art, line art, line art. So that's what you can do, guys. You can take an idea from the shop and you can implement the same thing in your shop. In today's video, we went into the three different shops. So let me just recap what we learned. All these three shops are quite old, so that is one of the major benefit of them established onto the Redbubble and getting more sales. Apart from that, they are doing something different in their shop. In the first shop, we see that they are having so many sticker pack. They are making amazing sticker packs and uploading into the Redbubble. So that is the one major benefit for the first shop. The second shop, we see that they have used just the pictures and edited those pictures in a pretty amazing way and made the designs out of them and then uploaded onto the Redbubble. You can also do that, guys. You can pick up the images or the copyright free images from Pexels, Pixabay or Unsplash and then edit them, modify them, and create a new version of your own designs and upload it onto your own print on demand shop. And from the third shop, we learned that line art, that it is so simple and so easy to create such line arts. You don't need to do coloring, you don't need to do any detailing in your art. You can create these simple line arts and you can make a sticker pack around these line art and can sell them onto your print on demand shop. So these were the three things that we actually learned from all these three shop, and I hope that this video makes some sense to you. It's helpful for you for your own print on demand business. Let me know in the comment section below what you
enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because whenever I'm gonna upload more such videos you'll be getting notified about it. And that's all for today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.